This is my project VeggieWaste. It is a AI-powered web app that allows users to determine whether a vegetable is fresh or rotten just by submitting a photo. My name is Jackson Osmond. I am a high school student, and this is my submission. The problem I found was food waste. Many people throw out vegetables just based on appearance rather than just signs of molding and aging. The fear of food poisoning being the driving factor which leads people to toss bruised or ugly vegetables. People with poor visual judgment especially struggle with this, as most people don't want to take risks and just throw out foods that look ugly that still might be usable. My solution is an AI-powered freshness detection app where you can upload the photos of a vegetable and AI classifies it as fresh or rotten with instant feedback. What I did was the image is sent to a backend API where it is processed and passed into an AI model via Onyx. Then the model outputs a classification which is sent back to the front end to be displayed to the user. I used a lightweight model which allows for instantaneous feedback. Now for my demonstration. I just got to start up the app. My app is hosted locally using Vite currently. So this is what it looks like. You click this and it allows you to upload an image. All images that aren't of vegetables, for example, this is a screenshot of my app itself, will immediately say rotten, as there's currently no indicator that detects whether it's actually a vegetable, as I wanted to keep the app as lightweight as possible. The straightforward use, picture of an apple, just fresh in the how confident it is in the whether it's moldy or not. So now let's use a moldy image. This is rotten with a confidence of 100%. And I think most people would agree that this is rotten. Why this works and what was my tech stack? Well, the goal was for an easy to use app that anyone could use. I don't want no account creation, no time to learn, which is why I picked a web app. This web app is mobile friendly, so you're able to use it on a phone and just snap a photo. This app has real-time analysis, confidence-based percentage results, which you saw earlier, and a simple UI. I built it with React and TypeScript and Tailwind CSS for my front end. In my back end, I use ASP.NET Core. And for my AI, I used MomoNet v3, which I retrained for my uses. And I exported it with Onyx to my C# backend. Thank you for your time and listening to this presentation.